Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be unboxing Kinder Joys. So let's get started. But before that, this is a little of my collection. I know I lost most of it because this had a stand, it had more pieces, and there's still so many Kinder Joy which I can't found. So I thought that we should make a video of unboxing these Kinder Joys. See that? There's a lot. So my brother just opened one and he got this. So I was like, let's collect all the Kinder Joys which I can find and then we'll put it here. I got some of my brother's and most are mine. So, yeah, but my brother said that three of them, these are like 6 and 3 of them will have the puzzle. So let's open this one first. This one's going to be without the puzzle. So we're going to avoid opening the food. Okay, this is food and this is toy. There's a toy that has a lock and I really want that. So I'm going to put this food for other days. And we're just going to focus on the toy. So let's... Ooh, I'm so excited to see what's that. Looks something cool. I think, okay. Let me just open this. Sticker. Okay, we got a fuse. I think this is a spinning wheel. Oh, I always wanted that. But I don't know where's the point. Oh, I think that's the point. Okay, I think, yeah. Yes, guys. It's cool. So let's put on the stickers. Gotta remove the center part. You see that? Let me just zoom in the camera a little more. And it has too much texture to put a sticker on. Like, see that? Alright, it's in Arabic and it's really small, but it's cute, guys. Look, you get down the arrow. And I got this. This is so cool, guys. It looks like Ramadan theme to me. A little closer. Okay, guys. I like this toy, actually. It's pretty cool. Let's real check the guide here. Yeah. No, I did it the opposite way. Never mind. I recommend you to read the guide first. I got that off, and now we can nicely place the sticker. And I'm so excited. Let's pop this in correctly this time. Yeah. Okay, that's the where we can see what we got. Cool, guys. I actually like this toy. Moving on to the next one, we're gonna open this, which might be a puzzle. Let's see if my brother's right. Okay, so this is the toy and this is the food. We're gonna have lots of stock for Kinder Joys now. So, please don't be the puzzle. Oh no, it's the bracelet, but it's not the puzzle. Okay, yeah. Oopsies. Okay, I didn't want to double, so I'm gonna keep that here. And let me show you the made one. This is the puzzle. This is the bracelet, how it looks, and it does fit my wrist, so it's just pretty cool. Moving on to the next one. Hopefully we don't get any more doubles. This is like my second double in the history of my Kinder Joys. Yeah, seriously, it's the second double in my history of Kinder Joys, I think. Yeah. I know. Please. Oh, it's a puzzle. Wait. Was it the puzzle piece? No, it's the puzzle, guys. It's like the same puzzle. And this is how the puzzle really looks like. Okay. This is awful. It's going double. This is also going to be a puzzle piece. I think these are bad luck. Okay. Oh no, we got a triple. Look. That's like the third. Okay, let's move on without the noises. Okay, it's pretty silent. Does not make any noise. So, yeah. Be something good. So, guys, the camera got off, so I don't know what happened, but we can still... This is a game. You gotta match the pictures Like it says something in Arabic, and then you have to match it to the picture. And this is the container where you can start the game. So I think the Kinder Joys are pretty good for like outdoor, like if you're going like on a trip, you can like buy Kinder Joys and unbox them and play those games. Like yeah, it's not that bad. I like this one a lot. Let's just open it up and see what we got. Please, please, please. Okay, let's try it. We got the 4th thing, guys. Give me some ideas to do work. And from this entire thing, we only got like 2 new ones and went off camera, which is so horrible. Guys, this is so awful. Okay, you gotta attach this person on its stick. Like, so my favorite one is this toy. Like, it's so cool. Toy edition is so cool, but I still didn't get the one I wanted. But I think these are pretty cool, so I love them. Look at the mess. There's a mess here. Filled with Kinder Joy stuff. Guys, I hope you like this video, guys. Please remember to subscribe and share this with your friends. Bye!